Technical Touching 24blogspot.com.
2S flagship phone. It has arrived as the first smartphone from China to feature the Snapdragon 845 chipset. One of the major attractions of the Mi Mix 2S is that it features dual rear cameras that is equipped with numerous functions. When it comes to the front design, the Mi Mix 2S appears quite similar to the Mi Mix 2. It measures 8.1 mm thick and weighs 189 grams. Xiaomi has slightly reduced the size of the bottom bezel that features a selfie camera at the right corner. The slim-sized upper bezel features an earpiece. The Mi Mix 2S features a 7000 series aluminum frame and 4-sided curved ceramic body. It can be availed in black and white color options. The dual camera module of the black and white models is respectively surrounded by gold and silver accents. Like the Mi Mix 2, its upgraded model features an IPS LCD full-screen 2.0 display that measures 5.99 inches, and it offers Full HD Plus resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The screen that delivers an aspect ratio of 18:9 carries support for DCI-P3 color gamut. The Mi Mix 2S offers higher screen-to-body ratio than the Mi Mix 2. However, the exact information of the screen-to-body ratio of Mi Mix 2s was not revealed at its launch event. The Snapdragon 845 chipset, coupled with artificial intelligence engine, powers the Mi Mix 2S. It is packed with Quick Charge 3.0 that enabled 3400 mAh battery, like the Mi Mix 2. However, the Mi Mix 2S is the first Xiaomi phone to arrive with support wireless charging. It supports wireless charging, like the 2017 iPhones. The Mi Mix 2S is the first phone in its series to feature a vertically aligned dual camera setup. It features an f1.8 aperture with 12-megapixel Sony IMX363 wide-angle lens that has a pixel size of 1.4 micron as the primary sensor. It is coupled with a secondary 12-megapixel telephoto lens that carries support for 2x optical zoom. The dual rear cameras can capture impressive bokeh effect shots by effectively blurring the background and focusing more on the subject. The AI also makes it possible to detect up to 206 scenes, along with support for real-time language translation and currency. The 8-megapixel selfie camera is also capable at snapping amazing bokeh effect shots through AI. The Mi Mix 2S includes support for facial recognition through the front camera. The front camera of the Mi Mix 2S also works as face unlock feature. Its back panel is fitted with a fingerprint reader. The connectivity features available on the Mi Mix 2s include dual SIM, USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports 43 network bands from 226 countries. Like the Mi Mix 2, it does not feature a 3.5mm audio jack. As for the price, the 6GB RAM plus 64GB RAM cost 3,299 yuan, $527. 6GB RAM plus 128GB RAM price at 3,599 yuan, $575. 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, King version, price at 3,999 yuan, $639. The wireless charging station for Mi Mix 2S is priced at 99 yuan, $15, only. All the 6GB variants are available in black color, whereas the special edition model has a white-colored ceramic body. The official sales of the Mi Mix 2S will begin on April 3rd. All the variants of the Mi Mix 2S feature a microSD card slot. It is running on Android 8.0, that is flavored with the latest MIUI 9.5, that brings along support for full-screen gestures. According to Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun, the Xiaomi AI voice assistant that has been introduced on the Mi Mix 2S is smart enough to take on the Apple Siri. It also includes support for Google AR Core. As for the price, the 6GB RAM plus 64GB RAM cost 3,299 yuan, $527. 6GB RAM plus 128GB RAM price at 3,599 yuan, $575. 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, King version, price at 3,999 yuan, $639. The wireless charging station for Mi Mix 2S is priced at 99 yuan, $15, only. All the 6GB variants are available in black color, whereas the special edition model has a white-colored ceramic body. The official sales of the Mi Mix 2S will begin on April 3rd. For more video like this, subscribe to my